In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Tavily to n8n. Step-by-step tutorial. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along inside your existing automation. Start by opening the workflow editor for the workflow where you want to use Tavily. This is important because the node you're about to add will live right inside this specific flow, and any credentials you set up can be reused as you build more automations. With the editor open, look to the top right and click the plus icon to add a new node. This opens the node picker, where you can find integrations by name. In the search bar, type Tavily. You should see it appear in the results. Go ahead and select it to add the node to your canvas. If this is your first time using it, you might see an option to install the node. Click on Install Node. n8n will handle the installation for you, and it may take a moment. Once that's done, the Tavily node is ready to use in your workflow, just like any other native integration. When the node is added for the first time, you'll notice the configuration panel indicates that credentials are required. This is normal and ensures your requests are authenticated properly. Click Set up a credential. In the credential setup window, enter your API key and any other fields that are requested by the form. Keep your key secure. Avoid pasting it into notes or comments, and consider giving the credential a clear name so you can identify it later if you use Tavily in multiple workflows. When everything looks correct, click Save. After saving, the node will link to your new credential and you're connected. From here, you can configure the node's options as needed for your workflow logic, and because the credential is stored, you won't have to re-enter it every time you add another Tavily node. If you ever rotate your key, you can update the same credential in one place and keep your automations running smoothly. And there you go. You opened the workflow editor, added a node using the plus icon, searched for and selected Tavily, installed the node if needed, and set up the required credential by entering your API key and saving it. That's all you need to start using Tavily within n8n. If you found this helpful, keep building on this foundation by adjusting the node settings to match your use case, and enjoy a cleaner, more connected automation experience. That's all.